I use AI to generate my AI prompts. And it's kind of meta, but it actually works. Now, a lot of people know AI can help them, but they usually like type in some generic prompts and get some very basic results, which are like not really good. And that's because they don't know how to prompt it properly and they waste hours or a lot of time trying different phrasings. And results are a hit or miss. And usually, AI or these ChatGPT and these things are like called LLMs or large language models, and these are like prone to guessing. And usually, when you don't give it like a specific framework, usually you don't expect to like get good results. Although these models are like significantly like getting better, but still prompting is going to be like a really good skill. And um, prompt experts like tell you to learn frameworks, but who has time for that? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to write the prompts for you and in a very simple method. So yeah, so there are like 5 simple steps. So instead of like learning to write perfect prompts, which don't get me wrong is a great skill to have, but then find an expert. So what we're basically going to be doing is find an expert who already solved the problem. So the problem that you're trying to solve, like basically if you're asking AI to like create, I don't know, write an essay for you. So the problem is that you need to write an essay. And then, so what you're gonna do, or you need to write an email, let's say. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a copywriting expert, and then feed their method into AI and ask the AI to generate a perfect prompt for us, and then save it and you'll use it again. Basically, you just like then as you like do it over and over again, you have like a library of prompts, one for copywriting, one for writing, one for brainstorming. So yeah, like so you can just like reuse all these prompts again and again. And yeah, if especially like if you don't want to like build custom AI systems, or it's gonna like really help. So yeah, the 5-step process. Now find an expert video. So now go to YouTube and search whatever we want to do. So yeah, and it could be like how to write sales email, or content ideation, or code debugging process, or market research. Now, okay, so I'm gonna like kind of do a demonstration of how this can actually look. So I'm going to, okay, there's a lot of tabs. Hopefully this doesn't break. So I go to YouTube and I search, okay, so I probably have to close some. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Yeah, and I'm just going to like say how to write great copy. Now, like, is this the best way to like probably search? Probably not. I can search better, but hopefully I find the expert video on copywriting. So yeah, there it is, Alex Hormozy. So what I would do now is I would just copy this, and yeah, so his methods work, which is why like he's a successful business. And we're basically going to use the exact framework to our intentions as well. In this case, like writing an email. So now you have to go to this website called Google AI Studio, which is a really cool tool, and which is like completely free. And that's the crazy part. And once you go in over here, you just have to go. You usually you don't get this. You yeah. So we just paste the YouTube link, and then this just gives us access to, allows us to like post the entire video, because this has like very high token. And I'm just pasting the video, and hopefully should be here. Yeah, it is. As you can see, like we just pasted the video, and we can just say, turn this into a very high level prompt. Okay, what's wrong? By mapping the frameworks from the video, so I can use it to write. I mean, what writes in copy usually like it's just like very helpful to like write along with the AI rather than just asking the AI to write it for you. So use it to like write along with AI. So yeah, that's basically it. Um, you can like probably optimize this prompt that we're sending, but it should do good. So as we run, this is just going to like take the entire video and turn the all the strategies, and then it's gonna like give us a clean prompt, which we can um, iterate and just use and iterate, keep iterating, and then just have it in our library, and we can like use it over and over again. Now, yeah, look for like videos from actual practitioners and not just theory, and then step-by-step process. And yeah, usually like optimally we go for 10 to 20 minute video. How long did I go for? Okay, around that I'm guessing. So yeah, pick one video that explains the process and then get the transcript. Now, okay, so this was like the old standard way of doing it, but then fortunately, like we don't have to do it this way. As I've said, you just have to like grab the link and just paste it into Google AI Studio, and it's free to use and good at following instructions. And as you paste this, yeah, the prompt should be clear and specific and include all. So you just say this. Okay, so I actually have a prompt. I could have like kept this prompt, so you can like copy this prompt and use it for yourself as well. So yeah, I have a transcript from an exit video about the topic, and then we just say some jobs like to analyze and extract and whatever, and then we're just giving some guardrails so that for the AI to, yeah, and then hit generate, and usually within 30 seconds it should be here. So yeah, there it is, like a very clean prompt. And as you can see, like now we can just use this exact prompt and write copy again. Is this, let me see if it's, let's, seems to be good. Okay, let's just test this prompt and see how it goes. So I'm gonna give this prompt over here. Okay, so as you can see, like we just need to like give input data, and that is like target audience and their pain point and one big data. And yeah, once you like give this, you click run, you can just like talk with the AI and go about the writing process, and you come up with like a really good output at the end of the process. So yeah, that is how you get your custom prompt. And yeah, once you get that, now you have a prompt based on an actual expert's method, not just like theory, but stuff that actually works. And you just had to like copy them, the video, and paste it and get a prompt and save it if you use it again. And yeah, you don't need 50 prompts. You just need like a few, like 3 or 4, or maybe, I don't know, 5 prompts that you can use repeatedly that would like that are like really needle moving actions. Yeah, I'll always say to myself like, do not do like 50. I mean, do not. I mean, yeah, you just do like minimum amounts of stuff more intensely. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, you can save it on Google Docs or Notion or wherever. So yeah, that's is so my AI prompts for I usually do it for content ideation and email writing. I don't right now like do a lot of email writing, but then yeah, so that's basically it. Now, what prompts to actually save, like content ideation, you can automate like email writing, as I've said, we've just went through, and code debugging, daily planning and reflection. Like this is a big thing for me. Like yeah, I'm actually like doing daily reflections, and yeah, it's more fun to do it along with AI rather than just like sit down and write in journal. For some people that could work, but for me, like it's just like the dopamine of like having a response after this, or the reward actually like keeps me going for the habit every day. So you could try that as well. And client proposal writing if you freelance. Now, okay, so let me know if you want to see me actually build a system that automates the process of like writing a proposal. I already have a system, but if you want me to like go about the entire build completely again and show you how you can like automate the process of generating proposals, or basically like all these like really good formatted looking proposals, or whatever, like formatted PDFs, let me know and I'll walk you through in one of my videos. So yeah, um, why this works, because this basically is like found the foundation is actually some very expert method that actually works. So yeah, now I just showed you the live demo structure and action steps. So if you want to like take action on it right away, I usually like just no matter like how much content I consume, unless I take action, doesn't really matter. So think of one task you do regularly with AI. Fine. Anything that you definitely would have, might have one, and you just have to think about it. And yeah, you do regularly, maybe even without AI, and you've been thinking of automating it, or now you think you could automate that, and find one expert YouTube video about that task and copy the transcript, go to copy the video and go to AI, Google AI Studio, and get your prompt just as I've mentioned, and test it immediately and save it again if you'll used it next time. So yeah, that's basically it. Key takeaways: use AI to generate your AI prompts and find expert videos, feed the video into Google AI Studio, and save like prompts that you're gonna reuse, and keep it simple but practical. So that's basically how you generate very high level prompts that you can like reuse and save. I mean, save and reuse. So yeah, hope you got value out of the video, and let me know if you want me like to take you through a build of a system that automates proposal generation for clients. So yeah, thank you so much for thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely rest of the day. Cheers.